you know, deep in their heart, they just truly love us. They want us to be safe for that night. Gusto nila nasa bahay tayo. But you know, teenagers being teenagers, I was one of them. Minsan nasasagot pa natin, minsan nainis pa tayo. But as you grow up, I tell you, you'll realize it. I think we're all the same age right now, wherein we have realized what our shortcomings with them were, right? But that's okay. Ang magulang naman natin, ma'am, hindi nakakatiis yan. Kahit ano pa ang pagkakamali natin, you just give your heart out to them. You just hug them, you kiss them. Parang baliwala lang yan. So, we should always love our mom. Especially habang kasama pa natin sila. Kasi pag nagkaasawa na tayo, all the dynamics of your family will change. Pag nagkaasawa ka na, maiiba yun. So, to children, adult children, habang nandyan ang ating magulang, even hindi natin kasama sa bahay, let's appreciate them. Okay? Yung pangalawa, so a mother's love reflects God's faithful love. Yung pangalawa, a godly mother builds her home with wisdom and strength. Okay. Sabi ko nga yung love, di ba? It's really fascinating dahil yung word na love, sinong familiar sa 1 Corinthians 13? Di ba mayroon dong 3 attributes na binanggit? Faith, what else? Hope, and love. Pero ano daw yung natitira after everything is said and done? Yung love. Ganun din yung ganun din yung comparison nung sinasabi kong verse na to. Isaiah 49:15 na love pa rin ang mag-i-stay sa atin, sa mga magulang natin, para sa atin.